Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Željko Todorić. Chocolates. Croatian chocolates. Chocolate is not just a food, it is a metaphor for human behavior, a mirror through which we can see ourselves. Our Croatian chocolates have left a small but shiny mark on the planetary wall of the sweets industry. Croatians in general, particularly the diaspora Croats, are proudly sharing the guilt of allowing themselves to be subjected to the daily consumption of chocolates made in our beautiful homeland, Croatia. It was Italian Daniele Dagnese from Venice who first introduced the art of chocolate making to Croats. His 18th century chocolate factory, which opened in Varaždin in 1789, is a testament to the aristocratic lifestyle of a certain segment of Croatian population within the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Chocolate is essentially a European product, long associated with high classes, the product of loyal courts, ballroom dances, and pleasing sounds of opera music.